Hey there, this is Eddie with Multiman Services. So I thought I'd just do a quick video to kind of explain our services. As you can see, we like to use video to more effectively communicate with our clients. So this is a pretty straightforward wash for us. I see that you got aluminum or steel siding here. Our process is perfectly designed to wash off any green algae, mold, mildew, dirt on all your exterior surfaces without any more pressure than a garden hose. So we're going to apply that detergent, let it dwell. The green algae and other dingy things on your siding will turn brown, turn colors, and then it'll actually disappear. And then from there, we'll use a high volume of water at low pressure to rinse it all off. And that's exactly how we'll clean your deck as well. So don't have to worry about any crazy high pressure damaging results with our process. While I was here, I did notice that you have a lot of shading from this tree here. What we suggest would be a couple things I'm noticing on your front of your house here. This little piece of flashing here has pulled up away from the shingles, and we want to make sure that that gets screwed down. And that could be an entry point for water if it's not fastened properly, as well as this piece of flashing above your front door here as well, starting to pull away, and that can be re-sealed down. We call that a roof tune-up. And we also can remove the debris that's sticking in this nook here, possibly causing water to go in where it's not supposed to, behind the siding. We want a nice fresh pathway for water to go there. And another example of some shingles that could benefit from a tune-up, a shingle is starting to raise up there in the corner. You can kind of see, like, right there. So we'd want to get that fastened down, and this is part of the north portion of the shingle, so you can see how it's discolored here. And if you'd like, while we're cleaning your deck here, the cleaner that would also could be used to put on your retaining walls here. No extra charge. We'll make sure to only apply the cleaner on the bricks, not your driveway, and not on your plants there. And so stepping back here, I think this is would be considered the north side of your roof. I'm starting to see some discolorations in your shingles. You can see this little light spot here. So you do have an airborne contaminant called Glioxapsa.
My name is Jonathan Casilli. I'm the Director of Construction for Skylight Real Estate Partners, and I handle all apartment renovations and CapEx projects throughout the portfolios, which are located in New York, New Jersey, and Florida. So 5 years ago was when we first started looking at the roofs as a general project. One of our roofers mentioned, hey, you should look into RoofMax because it's a product that is not invasive to tenants. It's a very quick application, and it actually extends the life of the roof and gives you a warranty. So it checked a lot of boxes, at least initially, and then I started researching it and then went from there. I believed in all the research, but I wanted to see it firsthand in an environment like New Jersey, where it's brutal winters and tough summers with the sun. So we decided to try it out on 10 buildings. The process was very quick, very professional in their installation. After completing the first 10 trial buildings with the RoofMax product, we received several windy storms, and we noticed that the other buildings we had severe issues with shingles being blown off those roofs, as compared to the 10 that had received the RoofMax application. And at that point, it made even more sense to use the RoofMax product on the next 10 buildings. And same process, same results. I was skeptical at first with the existing condition of the roofs. We were having high winds and shingles were blowing off the roofs continually. But years later, after the application, the roofs look great, and we have no issues with any shingles blowing off the roof. Before RoofMax, the roofs looked very brittle and crunchy and faded, and it didn't look very appealing and made the property kind of look a little in disrepair. And after the RoofMax product was applied, it actually refreshed the product, brightened it, made it look new, more cohesive. Roof rejuvenation is a new idea in property management and building ownership. However, I do feel like it should be a standard because it aligns the ideology of what property management their intent is to preserve the property and maintain it at a high level for a long period of time at a very fair price. And so roof rejuvenation achieves everything that you would want when you're looking at maintaining your roofs.